I always tell you guys that my desk is a disaster. And this is not set up. This is what my desk looks like right now because I'm working on three pictures all at once. And this is real. But I found the most amazing desk pencil holder. And I'm still shocked that this thing works the way it does. And it's only $2 with no shipping. It's amazing. And I have to show it to you guys. So now it looks like I have all the working space that I need. And I've actually gotten very used to working like this. I have a very, very small working space. So I'm going to actually show you the truth of how I work. As pathetic as it may seem, I'm going to take my phone off tripod. And now I'm going to go up. And there we have it, my desk. And when I work on multiple projects at one time, and I get into that alpha state of mind, I can have a perfect desk, and 5 minutes later, it'll look like this. So it usually gives me enough space to work on a page, but not much more. My life is just about to change, and it's all because of a purple squishy. I got two of them for $5. And it actually happened that I was looking for a mattress. And when I went onto the Purple Mattress website, this is not sponsored, but if they really want to sponsor me, I wouldn't complain. Send me a bed, I'll send you a pencil. I was looking for beds, and I went to the Purple store, and they have these purple squishies for sale. They're supposed to be samples of what your bed can be, what the mattress is made out of, so people can touch it before they buy it. I bought this. They didn't even charge me shipping. Besides the fact that this is the coolest stuff to squish in your hand. It really is. When they say that it's stress relieving, it's great. Now I want to show you what else you can do with this. If you have problems with your wrist, this is the softest thing that you could put under your hand. It's not sticky like a squishy make sometimes get. This is the stuff that they actually make your good expensive beds with. It squishes, it stretches, and it snaps right back into place, and always will. But of course, my brain, the first thing I said was, I wonder if that's going to hold pencils. So I got it today, and I went like this. Took me a half a second. It didn't even flinch. And I started just poking it with my pencils. It's very thin. You would think that, like, I'll show you the other one. I bought a couple of them. They're in 2-packs. So you can get like 2 for $5. But they sell them singles too for like $2. No shipping. So they're very thin. I was like curious to see, well, will it hold the pencil up in place? That was my thing. Will it fall over? And how many can I get in there? Well, this has maybe a 2 by 1, 2, 3, 2 by 4 foot of space, inches on my desk to take up real estate. It holds my Star Joys perfectly. But I was like, well, does it hold a thicker pencil? So I got out my Luminous. And it worked for my Luminous. It worked for my Prismacolor. It worked for another Starjoy. I'm like, well, when is this going to fall over? It's got to fall over at some point. I put my Holbein in because my Holbein is my fattest pencil. Keep going. And it's cute as a button. Let's see. Now, why am I so excited? Because I can get like 10 of these, and I can work on different projects and not have to put my pencils away, and not take up the space on my desk at all. It is the smallest footprint. Put another Luminous in. Put another Prismacolor. I'll put a graphite in. Now that's a lot of pencils there. You look from the side. That's a lot. That's holding a lot of pencils. But how strong is this thing? I want to show you something. Nothing is falling out. Nothing. Okay, I lost one by doing that. Probably too close to the edge. Put it back in, add another one. And they come out, it comes out of this holder just as easily. You could be grabbing all day long. And what happens when you're done, take a look at my desk now. Look how many pencils this thing holds. Now, the first thing you're going to say to yourself is, oh my God, you're never going to be able to find anything once it goes in there. But watch. I could find everything. Any color. Now, I don't know how many pencils I've got in there right now. There's a lot. I filled every other hole. And let's see how many every other hole holds. "51 pencils. I just put all of this into that. And notice it just snapped right back into place. Good as new. All of this was on my desk as workable pencils that I have from different projects. And it goes right back. And out and in. One hand. Best pencil holder ever.